In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a Keep note to your Google Calendar event. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link your notes to a specific event, so everything you need is in one place when the day arrives. We'll be working on a computer using a web browser since that's where the integration is easiest to use and clearly visible. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Find the event you want to enhance with a note and click it to open the quick view. From there, choose the pencil icon to open the full event editor. This takes you into the detailed view where you can adjust everything about the event and, importantly, connect it with Google Keep. Look over to the right side of the screen. You should see a vertical panel of Google Apps. Click the yellow light bulb icon labeled Keep to open the Keep sidebar. This is your notepad right alongside your event, which makes attaching notes fast and convenient. Now you have two simple options. If you want to create a brand new note that's tied to this event, click the Take a Notes box in the Keep sidebar. Type in your details, agenda points, questions to cover, a packing list, anything you'll need at event time. Give it a clear title so it's easy to recognize later. This new note automatically links to the event you are editing, so you don't have to do anything extra to connect them. If you already have a relevant note in Keep, you can reuse it. Just find it in the sidebar and drag it directly into the event's description area. This attaches the note to the event and helps keep your existing ideas and checklists in sync with your schedule. When you are finished, click Done on the note in the Keep sidebar to save the note itself. Then, in the event editor, click Save to commit your event changes. That two-part save ensures both the note and the event are properly linked. To confirm it worked, open the event again. At the top of the event details, you'll see a related section. Your Keep note will appear there, ready to open with a single click. From that point on, anytime you revisit the event, your notes are right where you need them. That's all there is to it. Open the event, open Keep, create or attach your note, and save. It's a quick workflow that keeps you organized without juggling tabs. Thanks for watching.